Hello guys, welcome to our channel Talk with Circle. Today I brought you some concept related to web development, which is CSS image spriting. So see, in terms of web development, I mean your website performance, this is very important to use image spriting. So I'll tell you what is image spriting and why it is really required. Suppose you have uh, on your website you have multiple images, maybe from a small to bigger one. Then what you do, I mean you will be having multiple images on your server, and once your page loads on your browser, then the browser will make a multiple requests to fetch the image and will show you on the browser. But every for every image, a single server request will be made, and image will be fetched and will be shown on it. So this will also, uh, I mean, eat up some bandwidth of your internet, and it will also take some time to fetch the data. Maybe it is in millisecond. That also depends on the size of the image. So maybe in the millisecond, but it will take some time to load. Image spriting, what it does, you can combine all your images in one image, and the browser will make a request for only for one image, and we are done. And based on there are a way based on there are ways with CSS. Using CSS you can use those images which is combined together separately. You can show at multiple places the way you want. I'll just show you. So this is the w3schools.com website. It speaks about image spriting. So I'll just read out quickly. Whether it says an image sprite is a collection of images put into a single image. As I said, a web page with many images can take a long time to load and generates multiple server requests. Right. Using image sprites will reduce the number of server requests and save bandwidth. Okay. Now see, image is quite simple example. I'll just show you the example of the image. Open image in new tab. Okay. I'll show you this. Okay. See, these are the three images which has been combined together. Fine. The name of the images. See, instead of using three images, we use a single image underscore navsplits.gif. Best part of WC school is that you can always they always provide a button to try it yourself. So every CSS which and everything they talk about, we can directly test it out right there. Okay, so they have a home. They have created a CSS which is bind with the ID hash home. Width is 46 pixel, height is 44 pixel, and background is the image. In image which we have image underscore navspeed.gif. It is 0:0. Okay, let's try it ourselves. Okay, it shows us two images. And see, I just tell you what is it. There are two image tag, one, two. So SRC tag, we cannot keep this empty. So any image is used, which is basically a blank image. I mean, blank transparent image is there with a 1 into 1 pixel, and it is used here so that even if it shows, I mean, this is anyway blank, so you do not get to see anything. If I just right click on and open image in new tab, you will see there's nothing because this is a blank image. You can see 1 into 1. Okay, so that's it. And ID is home. Let's see what is in this ID. Home, there is a CSS, width is 46 pixel, height is 44 pixel. Then it means that this image tag will have 46 by 44 pixels height, width and height. Now background in the background, the image will be shown 0:0. So 0:0, it means we have the image here. So this starts here. And just tell you, show you why it is 0:0. Okay. As I said, only defines a small transparent image because the SRC attribute cannot be empty. That displayed image will be background image. We specify in CSS. Okay. Now width and height, when talking about define the portion of the image we want to use. Fine. Now define the background image and its position is left and top. So what to say? Left and top is 0 is to 0. Uh, wait a minute. Yes. From left it is 0 and top it is 0. So we can say that this is the coordinate of 0s to 0. Now width will be the width which has been used is 43 pixel and 44. Okay. So we'll go 43 pixel from 0 left to right side and the 44 from top to bottom. So height is this, right? So this is what it shows here. So the way it shows here, you can see it. And the same is, and in the next, if we see the next, it says width is 43 and height is 44. This is the same. Now it says that 90 minus 91 pixel to 0. So left will again refer this. So left is minus 91 and top is 0. So top is 0. Okay. Top is 0 and left is minus 91 pixels. So we'll start from here. And from it will start from here. Again, the width and height will be matched. So width and height is 43 is 44. Fine. That is how this arrow image is showing here. Okay. This is the easiest way to use image sprites. Now we want to expand it. Of course. See, as I said, on your combined image, you may have multiple images like we show in mouse over. If on the mouse currently it shows a dark image, and if you mouse over, we might show in a little lighter image. So of course we already have two images in place. The same way on the combined images, in the combined image also we may have two separate images, and on the mouse over and without hovering the mouse will be showing multiple images. Okay, we will use HTML because it can be linked and also supports the background image. Okay, see there are a few things which we move it to common, like we just close this one. Like we saw, the width and height of all three images are same, so uh, we can always move a common CSS in at one place, and later on we can only have specific CSS on the specific IDs. Right. Okay. Now see, they have used the navigation list, position relative, li, margin 0, padding, absolute top 0. Then nav list, li, nav list a is the anchor tag. And for anchor tag, it is better I'll click on this, then we'll have a description. Okay. Now, navigation list. There are a few common CSS which we are applying here. Fine. On navigation list and navigation list li, it is just margin padding 0 style. Okay. Now on the navigation list li, navigation list anchor. It is we just marking it. Height is 44 pixel, display is block. So height is fixed here, right? Now on the home, again like before, starting with the left, width is 46, background. Previous, again, it starts with minus 47 pixel. So it is just like moving your common CSS at one place. Okay. So the same thing has been described here. Okay, as I said about a mouse hover effect. Mouse over effect, see, there are, just open image in new tab. Yes, see, this is the actual image which we see here. Once, once we mouse over, this is the darker image, right? And this is the lighter image. Once we mouse over, it will just replace the image like we do usually. With image sprite, we'll do the same. Only it is just like we are changing the CSS. So instead of going this, just click on this. Let's see if it changes. At first, there are lighter image it shows, and on mouse over it, only the darker image it shows. Let's see how it is. Okay, on the home, see, on the home anchor hover, we are saying the background, all background image will be same. Only the uh, image, image coordinates are changed. Okay. So, specifically not the coordinates. I mean, it is anyway. It is talking about pixel. So we're just changing the place of the image. So it starts with a minus 45 pixel, and left is a 0, and left and top. So left is always 0. It is 0, and on the from the top it is minus 45 pixel, and from 45 pixel it shows. See. So, I mean, you can have basically the things which you can do it with having multiple images on your server. Same thing you can do it with combining all the images on one image and using image sprite. You can just do the magic. I hope you guys liked it, and you could also whoever doesn't know about images writing will get to know about it at least. And obviously, you can always go to internet and find their number of. And I mean, there are thousands of websites are there. From there, you can learn about it. Thank you.